Welcome. If you want to let the Facebook app access your phone contacts so you can easily find friends and connect, you're in the right place. This updated guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it simple and quick. First, grab your phone and unlock it. Start by opening your phone's settings. You'll usually find the Settings app on your home screen or in your app drawer, often represented by a gear icon. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down until you see an option called Apps, App Management, or sometimes just Applications, depending on your device. Next, tap on Apps to bring up a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Scroll through the list or use the search function to find the Facebook app. Once you locate Facebook, tap on it to open its settings page. Now, look for the Permission section. This is where you control what information and features the Facebook app can access on your device. Tap on Permissions, and you'll see a list of different options such as camera, location, microphone, and contacts. Find contacts in the list and tap on it. A menu will appear with different permission choices. To allow Facebook to access your contacts, select Allow. This gives Facebook permission to read your contacts, which can help you find friends who are already on the platform and make connecting easier. That's it. You've now enabled contact access for the Facebook app. If you ever change your mind, you can return to these settings and adjust the permissions at any time. Allowing contact access is safe when you trust the app, and you always have control over what you share. Thanks for following along with this step-by-step guide. If you found this helpful, consider sharing it with someone who might need a hand. Stay tuned for more easy tech tips to make your digital life smoother.